are in the Marine Drive, just the bank of ancient river Kelo, just flowing side of the city of Raigad, Chhattisgarh. And this is the new road has been constructed by the government of Chhattisgarh very earlier. And this is the backside of the king of Chakradhar Singh, and this is the palace, backside palace of King of Raigad, the then King of Raigad, Chakradhar Singh, and presently Vishal Singh was in the last dynasty, and he met an accident and succumbed to that injury at the spot, and now a child become taking in charge. He is aged about 2 years, and he become declared as the king of Raigad. This is an ancient temple you see. This is called a Siddheshwar temple, which connected with the king palace, and the front side gate where it has been quoted that this is a temple of Siddheshwar, but it is a temple is very same to the government and the local people too, that the deities of the temple has been theft by the hooligans, and the temple is very much ancient one during the regime of King Chakradhar Singh. And let me go inside and see what exactly the name of these deities. Let I take you there inside of the temple. And this is the view of the Kelo Marine Drive, and just in front of me that is the river bank of Kelo Nadi, Kelo river flowing. It is connected with the Mahanadi. This is the temple backside. You see how it has been, the monuments has been, it is a great architect. You see how it has been developed by the king at that time. And it was just the bank of the Kelon river. And I think it is a Siddheshwar temple. Let me go inside and see. And this is the backside of the palace, you see. And the peripheral area of the palace has been encroached by the illegally by the people and some outsiders of Raigad. They have encroached the king palace site forcefully since long, and they are now residing there by making a permanent structures. You see, this is an ancient place of the then kingdom of Raigad. Let I take you to the inside of the temple. Let's see what deity is there inside. Let I take you to the inside of the temple, and let's see and examine which goddess or god is there. Let I taking you inside of the temple. You see how it has been. The gate is open. Oh my God, there is no any statue inside. We have collected information that the statue which has been set up by the then king of Raigad, whatever the statue, we have no idea, and that has been theft by some hooligans. You see, now it is vigrahaless. So we may not say this is a temple. It is only a structure of temple. You see how it has been, the architect, you see how uniquely it has been done. You see, let me cover for all sides. Let I show you all details from all sides. You see how it has been encroached. This is the temple, you see. This is the part of the temple, backside. We have visited. You see, this is I think this is the place where prasad for the temple was cooked at that time. It was cooking at that time. You see, it is completely abandoned, a place of hooligans, government of Raigad, local administrations of Raigad, and the Chhattisgarh administrations. The government of Chhattisgarh, Bhupesh Baghel government must be looking into this. These are the ancient monuments, and there are the connections from the upper side to this temple during the regime of king. You see, this is the ladders which came from the palace, and through these ladders, let I show you that our reporter recently given us this information. Then this is the ladder you see. Through these ladders, the king and queen and princess and prince, they came to this temple for darshan. You see, such a way has been abundant. It's very same to the local district culture officers and culture department, as well as the district administration should all take intense steps for the renovations, but it has not done. Though it is property of the king, but still it is also property of the local people after evolution of state, as in the democratic countries. You see, such a nice temple has been way of abundant. So you see the Garuda Stambha is there, and it's very same for all of us that the Vigraha has been stolen, and it is really very same. So we urge the government of Chhattisgarh, Bhupesh Baghel government should take initiations, and the government should be taking care. You see the Garuda Stambha? And this is you see the views of from the temple. At that time it was purely connected to the bank of river Kilo, but now due to this marine drive, the importance of the temple become lost, and now the modern city has been grown up. You see the back side of the bank of the river Kilo, city already been grown up. So once again we urge on behalf of Raigad people and the people of Chhattisgarh, the government of Chhattisgarh should look into the matter and take appropriate, needful action for protection of such type of monuments and temples and all place of worship, and provide all protections and care. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.